setup is stupid. Look at all these fights, bro. These are art. This is art, bro. Right?
I left my phone in my car. Fucking vipers and shit, bro.
JoJo Car is back in another video, man. Before you start this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and do all that. And follow the gram, Vandalize G on Instagram. Make sure you do that. Do that. Hell, motherfuckers, bro. I'm tired of y'all. Tired of y'all talking about this motherfucker like, dude, it looks tacky, bro. Get the fuck out of my comments, bro. I don't care what y'all have to say. I don't know how much times I have to say that. But today we are actually putting in new fog lights. I had fucked mine up. I don't want to talk about it, but I decided to get LED ones, and I low-key want to do the yellow conversion. Y'all see how dirty my bumper is? There's like a lot of tape on there and shit too, but all this shit should get clay barred out anyways. But yeah, so I'm about to be doing all that. I guess I'm gonna clean the car too, maybe in this video, and maybe those rims. I should probably do those rims. Yeah. So we're going to do a couple things, and just stay in tune to what you see. I hope this camera looks decent right now. I know yesterday it had like a little fog on it, but yeah. Yeah, and for everybody asking about the freaking exhaust giveaway, I swear I get a question about this damn exhaust giveaway every single day. I have to hit 3,000 subscribers to give away the stuff for the exhaust. So get me to 3,000 subscribers, and then we could talk. That's basically what y'all need to do. Just give me the 3,000 subscribers, then we could talk about what you have to do for the exhaust giveaway, all that. Just get me to 3,000 subscribers. We're literally like 40 away now. It's not that crazy. 40 subscribers now, so just get it to 3,000 subscribers, then I will give out the stuff for the exhaust giveaway. Stay in tune for that. So let's get into this video. I'm about to open the package low key, so just stay in tune. This is a Xeno something seal light from Amazon low key. I'm gonna put one of the lights, the halogens, in just to show you guys the difference and shit. But I guess this is it. I don't know how this opens, but let's see. Let's see. I think that's working. Alright, so you get, 6 months warranty, whoa, that shit. Alright, and here's the light. Struggling to do this one hand. Let's do that. Let's flip that over. We struggling, baby. We struggling. Use the other hand real quick. Alright, boom. So here is the light. It should be just plug and play, low key. Nothing to it, really. Yeah. So there you go. That's the light. Okay, I'm gonna just scratch it. Fuck the yellow fogs right now. I'm gonna just not deal with it, but I just don't want anything to happen, so I'm not gonna do that. So later on, I'll probably put the fogs back. The yellow fogs, bro. Let me put this down real quick. I got it in there. I'm about to turn it on and show you guys the difference. I'm gonna just throw these keys in there.
Testing. System ready.
So boom. So this is the difference between halogen and the LED. The LED look way better. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it looks way fucking better. So I'm about to just take that one out. Fucking do it right now. Hopefully it's not like too crazy hot right now. Oh, turn that bitch. Hurry up, come on. Before it gets too crazy hot. There he goes. And I'm not gonna touch this shit. I'm gonna try to get this shit out. Yeah. Put that right there. You think I can do it? Not burning myself? There we go. And LED. Ooh, my eyes hurt. Ooh, that's bright as fuck. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna go in there. Gonna stick it in. Like so. Doing all one here. Now I gotta find that spot where it goes in and turns and clips and oh wow, unplugged it. Come on, man. That's what I get for sucking. There we go. So it's up there and it's stuck there. So this is the whole setup. This is how it looks. Yeah, that's fucking clean now. Hella just LEDs. LEDs, G. So this is all white light now, and that's just a clean setup. So yeah. Get y'all some. Get y'all some. Let me turn this off. How you doing? A pretty short video because I really didn't have to do crazy amount of things. Those LEDs are in. I'm gonna clean this thing. Maybe I'll finish this off with showing you guys me at the wash, because like look at this, all these streaks, all that. But this is really the end of this video. I hope you guys fuck with them. Yeah, so this is this sail light, whatever. I recommend copping it. It's actually decent. Maybe I'll show a nighttime look and everything, but I'm not sure. We'll see what I do. But like I said, I have to hit 3,000 subscribers to do this exhaust giveaway. So make sure you guys follow the gram and subscribe to the channel. You guys have to be subscribed and you guys have to follow the channel, follow the gram to get this exhaust system and to get the new stuff. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you guys follow, because that's the only way you're gonna know about the exhaust giveaway and all the stuff that's about to happen with it. So if you want this exhaust system for your G35 or G37, subscribe and follow. Wait for details. Pretty simple. People keep asking about it. It's simple. Subscribe, follow, wait. Get me to 3,000 subscribers. That's it. But that's really nothing left to say. This camera's about to die. I don't want it to die on you guys. Nothing left to say. Jojo out.
Testing. System ready.
Fuck.
Debbie, put the fuck over. Nah, I don't think so. I don't